Hi, welcome back. This is Jill here, and we're taking a look at Becky Beach's new course that's launching on the 20th of April called Printables Blog Academy. This is a really well done course. It teaches you all of the things that you need to know in order to set up a blog for your e-commerce shop so that you can drive traffic to it. It's got really everything you need to know, all of the little details that encompass setting up a WordPress website. I've set up many in my life, and it's just so nice to have all of the little bits and pieces all in one spot. From, deciding on what your blog name is going to be, choosing a logo, choosing brand colors, choosing fonts, keeping your brand cohesive, and so that when you go to market on different social media sites, you've got everything all in one place and it matches with your shop. She talks about hosting and installing the WordPress and the themes, and enabling the SSL, which is terrifying to most people, but she makes it nice and simple, and how to connect Google so you can pay attention to what's happening on your website as far as getting traffic. All of the little pieces, the plugins, it's just like everything is all in one spot. And she does talk about, in her free traffic workshop, how she gets traffic to her blog and how she maximizes the traffic through building a list. And I've got some courses or some bonuses that I've added to this, this course that will help you to get the most out of the course. And I'll teach you how to put an opt-in form on your page, and also how to get a pop-up to increase your conversions from your visitors. Once you get a visitor on your list, you're more likely to convert it to a customer. So if you purchase this through my link, I will give you the following 7 bonuses. You go to this link and it will talk about all of the bonuses that we're offering for this course to help you get the most out of it. The thing that I'm most excited about is this printable guide that I created for you called the Course Planner. This is just to help you organize your ability to actually get through and implement the course. It's probably the most important one of the bonuses that I have to offer. And we have a Facebook group, and I am always on Facebook if you talk to anybody that knows me. And I do answer questions, and I do offer help, and we look forward to seeing you over there. Definitely recommend Becky's course, Printable Blog Academy. Buy it through the link in the description. Talk to you later.